You are getting an error code that one of your pistons has gone out, quickly lost compression. It is very likely one of your intake valves or one of your exhaust valves is not seating properly. Very likely caused by carbon soot or obstruction in that valve. There are three possible ways to get Motor Purr's carbon braking liquid to that affected valve: in the crankcase, in the fuel system, or air intake manifold. The most obvious, probably most effective way would be to use our IV tube and our fuel injector cleaner directly into the air intake through a vacuum line. What that would look like, you got your IV tube, your fuel injector cleaner right into brake booster line here, which comes off your brake booster, and it goes straight into your air intake manifold here. Now, this is my 03 Marquee, a three-step tune-up process on this next week, so stay tuned for that. You can tell it's the brake booster line because it's got suction on it. These remedies I've just discussed are very easy to do, economical, and they are very effective. An obvious first line of defense for a defective valve, a valve error code. MotorPurr.com, the lifeblood of your engine.